A very good morning to my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all will be in good health. So, children, today we are going to write numbers in words, all right? But we will write in cursive. So, are you all ready? Bring your pencil, copy, eraser, sit on the chair, and in a perfect posture, handle your books carefully, and let's start the numbers in words in cursive writing. So today we will learn to write numbers in words in cursive writing. All right. So everybody get ready. Bring all the things and sit on the chair. Okay, children. So this is your number work copy, math copy. Okay. So there are blocks in your copy. So today we are going to write numbers in words. Alright, you know the spelling. I know, I'm very sure you know the spellings. So be ready with your pencil, eraser, sharpen pencil. Okay, so first we will put date. Let's put the date. What's the date today? It's 3030 dot 6 dot 2020. 30th June 2020. Alright, here write C dot W, and here we will write in words. So today we will write the spelling of numbers in words in cursive. Alright, so let's start the spellings. First write TO2. Alright, TO2. We will write spellings from 1 to 10. Okay, so first write the spelling. First write the numbers. Write 1. Where we will write? Below O. What does this TO2 means? T means tens, O means ones. T tens means 2-digit number, and O means ones. Ones means single digit number. 1 is a single digit number. So we will write it below O. Okay. Leave one block and write 2. Children, touch the line and then write. Again leave one block and then write 3. Leave one block. Write 4. Leave one block and write 5. Then again leave one block and write 6. Leave one block. Write 7. Touch the line, okay? Again leave one block and write 8. Leave one block and write 9. Again leave one block and then write 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. How many numbers come in 10? 2. 2 digits come in. So we will write 1 below T and 0. 1 0 10. Okay, put a small dash. Everybody, a very small dash in the next block. Alright, now we will start from this block. Okay, so 1, what is the spelling of 1? O-N-E, 1. So we will write in cursive, capital O, then N, and then E. Cursive means we have to join the letters and then write O-N-E, 1. Alright, now the spelling of 2. Write T W O. T W O, 2. Now the third spelling is 3. Write T H R double E. THR-E-E, 3. See children, they should not come from this line, means they should come in the block only. Okay? So O-N-E 1, T-W-O 2, T-H-R-E-E 3. It should touch the line. Okay, now the next spelling is 4. What is the spelling of 4? Correct. F O U R 4. F-O-U-R 4. The first letter should be capital because we are starting the word. That is why the first letter should be in capital. Okay, then the next spelling is 5. Right. F-I-V-E 5. All right. Now, what comes after 5? 6. Correct. Right. Capital S I N X. S-I-X 6. Alright. So 1 O-N-E 1. Learn the spelling also. Say and write. Say and write. O-N-E 1. T-W-O 2. T-H-R-E-E 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. F-O-U-R 4. F-I-V-E 5. S-I-X 6. Now tell me what comes before 6? What comes before 6? मतलब 6 से पहले. What comes before 6? 5. And what is the spelling of 5? F-I-V-E 5. Very good. And what comes after 6? After means बाद में. Correct. 7. And what is the spelling of 7? Right. S E V E N 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Very good. What comes after 7? Correct. That is 8. Now write E I G H T 8. Don't forget to put a dot on I. Don't forget to cut this T. Okay. Now what comes before? Listen to me very carefully. What comes before 3? What comes before 3? Before means pehle. What comes before 3? 2. Now tell me the spelling of 2 fast. T-W-O 2. Very good. Now tell me what comes after 5. After 5. After means बाद में. What comes after 5? 6. S-I-X 6. Very good. Now what number will come after 8? 9. And what is the spelling of 9? Correct. N I N E 9. N-I-N-E 9. And children, tell me how many fingers do you have in your hand? Correct. 10 fingers. And what comes after 9? 10. Very good. And what is the beginning word of 10? T. Very good. So write T E N 10. Very good. Correct. Now O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. How many nose do you have? 1 nose. Very good. Now the spelling of 1 is O-N-E 1. Very good. Now T-W-O 2. How many eyes do you have? T-W-O 2. Very good. Now wait. Let me bring something. Then I will ask. Now tell me how many erasers I have. 1, 2, 3. And what is the spelling of 3? THREE 3. Very good. Now tell me how many erasers I have now? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the spelling of 4? FOUR 4. ONE 1. TWO 2. Say along with me. ONE 1. TWO 2. THREE 3. THREE 3. FOUR 4. FIVE 5. SIX 6. SEVEN 7. EIGHT 8. NINE 9. And the last is TEN 10. So children, please learn these spellings. Write in a very nice formation. Write in a very beautiful handwriting. Do send me pics so that I can correct your copy. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Stay at home.